Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize titles on Shopify product cards for mobile only. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. To resize titles on Shopify product cards specifically for mobile devices, you can achieve this by using custom CSS. Follow these step-by-step instructions. First, access the theme editor. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store and Themes. Find your active theme and click Actions or the 3 dots. Then tap Edit Code. Now, add custom CSS for mobile. Locate the assets. Then click on your theme's CSS or SCSS file. Scroll to the bottom of the file and add the following code. Then replace product / card and title with the actual class used for product titles in your theme if it's different. Modify font size to your desired size for mobile devices. Then identify the correct CSS selector if needed. Open your Shopify store in your browser. Then choose the product. Tap your product and right click. Then select Inspect. Now check the class name for the title. Example product - card and title. Use this in your custom CSS if it's different from the example. Now save and preview. Save the changes to your CSS file. Then refresh your store and preview it on a mobile device or using your browser's developer tools. Press F12 and switch to mobile view. Now test and adjust. Test the changes on different mobile devices to ensure consistency. Adjust the font size or other styling properties as needed. If you're uncomfortable editing the code directly, you can duplicate your theme first as a backup before making any changes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.